Good morning, students. I am Mukesh Singh Baghel, Assistant Professor in SIT Bhopal. Students, today we will discuss about the topic named spot welding. Student, today we will discuss about spot welding. Before starting the topic, I would like to explain what is welding. My dear students, when we discuss about the welding is a process when which two similar and dissimilar metal are joined together with or without application of pressure and the filler material. My dear student, spot welding is a part of electric resistance welding. So before starting the spot welding, I would like to explain what is the electric resistance welding. Electric resistance welding is a type of hot pressure welding. It is a process in which metal parts are locally heated to the plastic state by flowing a heavy electric current through them. My dear student, when we discuss about the electric resistance welding is a basically hot pressure welding in which we are flowing a heavy electric current through them and then completing the weld by application of pressure. A resistance welding is set consists of frame, a step-down transformer, electrode, automatic electronic timer, and a pressure mechanism. My dear students, if we discuss about the working principle of the electric resistance welding, in this working principle, the heat required to welding is produced by passing a heavy current. My dear students, in this process, we require the heat. So how we can generate the heat? The heat is generated by passing a heavy current. It is about 3000 to 90,000 ampere. The value of the heavy current is 3000 to 90,000 ampere. And after that, we have very low voltage. The value of voltage is 1 to 25 volts. Okay, and these current and the voltage, which is passes through the two metal pieces to be welded, which are touches to each other for a very short time. My dear student, the heat produced is given by the following relation. I would like to share the relation, how we can explain this relation. This is basically stand H equal to I square RT. My dear student, I would like to write here H equal to I square RT. I square RT. Okay, so this is the basically equation. This is the relation why we can generate the heat. Where H equal to heat generate in joules, I is the electric current, RMS in ampere, and R is the resistance in ohms, and T is the time interval of current flow in seconds. Basically, this is the principle. On this principle, the resistance welding is work. But today we are here to discuss about the spot weld. So my dear student, when we come our topic spot welding, so spot welding is one of the oldest welding process. It is used in a wide range of industry. Basically, this welding is very oldest welding process method. It is used in the automobile. It is used in a wide range of industry. This is a type of resistance welding where the spot weld are made at regular interval on overlapping sheet of metal. Generally, we know that in automobile industry, we are using the sheet metal to produce the product, to generate the product, to manufacture the product. We are using the sheet metal. These sheet metal are welded by the spot welding. So we can say that this is a type of resistance welding where a spot weld are made at regular interval on overlapping sheet of metal. A dear student, spot welding is a joining of metal by applying pressure and passing current for a length of time to the metal area. As I told you, it is the part of the resistance welding, and the principle of resistance welding is H equal to I square RT. H is the heat generate, I is the current passing, R is the resistance, T is the time. So that's why I can say that spot welding is a joining of metal by applying pressure and passing current for a length of time to the metal area. which is to be joined. Okay, suppose you want to join the sheet metal, so you can passes the current in between the two joints, and the current may be, it is between 3000 to 40,000, 3000 to 97 ampere. The value of the current is very high. It is a very heavy current, and the voltage is very low. It may be 1 to 25 voltage. It is a condition in the resistance welding. Okay, so you can passes the current for a very short time. It may be 0.25 seconds. So by this we can generate the heat. By this process we can generate the heat. After that we can apply the pressure on the welding part or the object workpiece which you want to be joined. So spot welding machines are designed and built for a wide range of automotive, aerospace, and industrial application. We can also say that spot welding is a very simplest and most widely used resistance welding method. It is used for joining two or more overlapping sheets. The plates to be joined are placed together between the two conductive electrodes. My dear student, we are using the electrode here to complete this task, to complete this welding. Basically, this electrode made of copper or alloy copper. This may be explained by this diagram. This is the diagram of spot welding. Dear student, this is the diagram of spot welding. By this diagram, you can understand how we can complete the welding by the help of spot welding. So we can say that in this welding we are using the electrode. You can see in this figure we have two electrodes. The electrodes are made of copper or alloy copper. I would like to write here. This is the electrodes. These are the electrodes. The electrode is made of copper electrode. I can write already here. This is the made of copper electrode. Okay, in between them, the copper electrode, we have a joining part. We have a workpiece. In between these electrode, we hold the workpiece. So one function of this electrode, it is used to hold the workpiece. Okay, and after that, a low voltage high current is passes between electrode. When we arrange this electrode, after that we can passes a low voltage high current is passes between the electrode. The metal fuses in the center area of the interface between the two plates. At the same time, a high pressure is applied to complete the weld. My dear student, when we passing the current, as you see that when we passing the current, just like as when we passing the current, after that you can apply the force. You can see here, this is the force to complete the weld. We can say that in this process, a low voltage high current is passes between the electrode. The metal fuse in the central area of the interface between the two plates. At the same time, a high pressure is applied to complete the weld. You can see this figure. We are applying the force to complete the weld. Okay, so we can say that the electrode used must possess good electric and thermal conductivity. It's a condition. If you want to complete the welding by the spot welding, the electrode which are using, it have good electrical and thermal conductivity. If we discuss about the electrode, it must be good electrical and thermal conductivity. The heat generated at the outer face of the plate must be transferred to the electrode to avoid the fusion at unrequired area. The electrodes are usually hollow and are water cooled. We are using here water as a coolant. As you know that when we discuss about the water cooled, so we are using the water because in between the electrode we are passing the water. The function of water, it is used as a coolant because we are generating the heat. It may be burn the electrode, so that's why we are using the water to cool the electrode. Okay, so we can say that the electrodes are usually hollow and are water cooled. So as to transfer the heat from electrode to water, the spot welding machine have rating up to more than 600 kilowatt ampere. My dear student, when we are using the transformer, step down transformer, we can say that the spot welding machine have a rating up to more than 600 kilowatt ampere and uses voltage of 1 to 12 volt. A step down transformer is used to reduce the voltage. In this figure, we can also step down. In this process, we can also use step down transformer. Okay, so if we discuss about the application and uses of spot welding, we can say that spot welding is the most widely used resistance welding process in industry. Carbon steel sheet having thickness up to 4 millimeter can be successfully spot welded. My dear student, when we discuss about the application, as I told you in the previous, we are using this spot welding basically to join the sheet metal. Basically to join the, we are using to basically join the sheet metal. So here we are using carbon steel sheet having a thickness up to 4 millimeter can be successfully spot welded. However, steel plates up to 12 millimeter thickness can be spot welded satisfactory as a replacement for riveting. Okay, so it has a lot of application. Spot welding has found widespread application in the automobile, aircraft, and electronic industries. It is economically used in sheet metal work, manufacturing of metal containers and toys, etc. So this is the application. If we discuss about the advantage of spot welding, so we have a lot of advantage. We are using all commercial metals such as copper, steel, galvanized steel, stainless steel can be welded by the help of this spot welding. Or when we discover other advantages, no special preparation is needed except for proper cleaning of the surfaces. Okay, so it has some advantage of the spot welding. So you can understand about this today. Today I explain about the spot welding. I hope you can understand what is the process of spot welding, how it is work. So my dear student, thank you. Today, I hope you can understand how it works. In the next lecture, we can also explain the other welding method, and then most probably I would like to explain seam welding. About the in next lecture, I would like to explain about the seam welding. So thank you very much.